What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bobby Thrift back again with another video. Hopefully having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Here at another Ross, about to go ahead and see what we can find. Shout out to everybody who watched the last video. Just so you know, on Thursdays we will have Throwback Thursdays where I will show you guys some of my retail arbitrage escapades before maybe I even started this channel, because if you don't know, I have two channels. So hopefully you guys enjoy that on Thursdays, but we're about to get in here and see what's going on this Tuesday. Hopefully we find something good up in this Ross dress for less. Going, let's see. First, we're gonna skim through the women's section. I'm only gonna pull out the bangers. We're not wasting no time. We find some Superstar shell toes with the great gold trimming, $44. Don't really think these are worth it for me. If you guys have sold them for more, give us the feedback in the comment section below. Finding two pair back to back is kind of a good thing too. Maybe there's gonna be some more heat here. So we didn't find too much in the women's section when it came to shoes. So I'm looking in the athletic wear for ladies to see if there's anything there. I see these active Nike tops, $14.99 for $40. Let's scan these and see if they do come up, because they do look pretty interesting. I don't know if they'll be worth it or not, but you never know until you scan it. $14.99 for 44. Okay, so there's dope. There's two of them here. No ranking for them, however, you know. I don't know. What do you guys think? $96. Oh, this is when you can look at Keeper just to see if anything has sold from it at all. Reads the sign, but when I scanned it with the Keeper, it keeps showing me a whole bunch of other items and not the item I'm looking for, which is weird. If you guys have been in that situation, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it is listed on Amazon, as you guys saw, for $96, $14.99, and it's only $40. I feel like that might be some price inflation or something like that. So I think it's probably best to stay away from that. Don't you guys agree? If you guys have had that situation and it worked out better for you, let me know. $12.99 for $45. Let's go ahead and check that one out. Well, going directly with Kiva, we see that Amazon has been on this listing for a very long time. So it might not be worth really trying to scoop it because of the fact that they are on there. And they're on there right now. I'm sure they have the buy box. So we're going to go ahead and leave that alone. But what do you guys think about this? You know, I don't really feel like waiting too long to try to sell it, but we are in the spring summer vibes. But what was the sales rank? The sales rank is over 1 million, so we're gonna fall back on that too. Ever since like using Keepa and then just double and triple checking what I'm doing, I'm not buying as much because I gotta make sure I'm getting good buys. I'm not trying to wait on things and have things hold and sit there over the 90 days and get charged for it. So trying to find quick selling items, you feel me? Anything in this little section right here worth scooping up? Adidas Stadium Series, $12.99 for $25. We're gonna leave that alone too. Like these things right here, this looks good, but we're gonna leave this. Let me know if you guys have sold this for more, or that's actually worked out for you. We're gonna just scan through these active women tops really quick to see if I find anything here. Of course, I'll let you guys know. So we got two more of these things, bigger sizes. $40 again, $14.99, man. I wonder if the different size will come up with a different ranking or acing, you know? So that looks like a good buy right there. However, you guys know the drill. You guys know the drill. Nike, $11.99 for 40. Let's tag that. This does not come up when I scan it. Leave it alone, because we're only doing Amazon today, no eBay. Under Armour, $12.99 for 35. I just like the way this camo thing looks. Let's see if it's something that can even work out for us. Scan it in. Once again, does not come up on the first scan, so I'm gonna leave that alone. New Balance, we're not ungated in that yet. These Under Armours look pretty dope. If you guys know about these, let me know. I like the colorway on them. Yeah, these are pretty fire. Copper Pass, $50 on the retail. We good. So it might be an Under Armour today. What do you guys know about these hovers? Got some extra special design in here. $59, $60. Let's go ahead and see. So they do have some more of these, which we saw at one of the other locations. Pretty good comps on these, not too bad. What do you guys think about these? Haven't sold the ones that I had saw before. They got them in a few sizes though. Let me know what your luck has been with these things. 40 bucks on those. Oh, these Under Armour hovers for 49 bucks. What do you guys think about these? We'll leave those alone. So there wasn't much over in the men's section, but the kids section got some things that look pretty unique. $45 for these. I feel like we need to look those up to see what's going on with those. If you guys have any idea what these are, of course, let me know in the comments below, but that looks like that could be something pretty good. And then they had another one over here in a different colorway too. Same price, 44. I mean, I just like the way they look. I feel like they, you know, stand out a little bit. So maybe we have some luck with just these two. You know what I mean? But we won't know until we look them up. But let me look around and see if there's anything else over here in the kids section, because there was nothing in the men's. We got some Love Unite Adidas. I don't know what these are. They got special designs on them, 50 bucks. So we'll go ahead and look into that. I'm gonna leave that right there because I got one hand right now. These Adidas, not so much. Let's see if there's anything else. Look like we might have like some Chinese New Year edition. I don't know, they got a lot of extra that's going on. So let's just hold these and look these up too. Look like the kids section is kind of saving what's going on, you dig? Just to look them up, we do have somebody listing them for 125, 118. You know what I mean? That's not bad. Let's go ahead and see what the comps could be, if it's even worth it, because we're being extra strict on what we're getting for eBay. $69 March 1st, 100 for March 16th, 119 in January 24th. These have been selling kind of often or kind of recently. I like this colorway. This example right here, you know, 44 for 69, even for 100 after fees and stuff. I don't know what I like about that. I don't know if I like that or not. I might be leaving these. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. And then we're gonna slide on over here to see what's happening with this other colorway, because both of these are pretty dope as far as the colorways and what's going on with them. Nothing for me, of course, personally, but I do like the way they look. And you know, I'd rather go on this platform here. Let's see, this is a size, what do I have in my hand right now? 5.5. 5.5 is list. Somebody got the lowest going for 152 for these, bruh. We just don't know the last time these things sold. 152 for a 5.5. That's pretty nice for that though. 140. But how long will it take to sell? Same kind of situation for this colorway. You guys see what people are asking for them. Right up under 100 bucks. They want 44 for them, so like 45 or 46 after tax. So completed. 2 only. March 3rd, kind of recent, February 14th. Okay, you know. Once again, something that I'm gonna have to leave behind because we're being more strict on this type of stuff. So yeah, we got a 5.5, and then we look over here, 5.5. Nobody has it, but look what the people are asking for this other one. Somebody only offered that, but yeah, man, you just don't know how often these have sold. Size 5.5, nobody has that. That might be a good sign. But like I said, how long will these take to sell? If you guys have any information on these two shoes, let me know. But I think these might be the best find so far. For some reason, when I search this one up, it doesn't even pop up for me. So we're gonna leave that alone, period. But it does look pretty dope. Looks like a Chinese New Year theme. Once again, if you guys have seen these before, let me know. What's inside this little baggie here? A little charm? I don't want to take the charm out. Let's just see what it is. Oh, okay. Go ahead and put that back on in there. I don't want nobody to think I'm taking anything out of that. Boom. But what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I didn't see these superstars before where you can switch the stripes on the medial side of the shoe. I think that's a dope little detail too. Didn't realize that there. So then we have this one here, which is pretty crazy, right? Adidas original Boost Pride shoes, 120, 120, 133. Look at that. Let's see what the comps could be on this one. This might be a good one to go after. Nobody sold them though. That's discouraging. Nobody sold them. That's unfortunate. I usually like to use the history of what's going on to tell if I should sell this or not. They're all coming from Korea too. Why you can't get these out here or something like that? Now that's a pretty good margin right there. I think we're gonna have to get that 50 for these. I mean, definitely some meat on the bone. Yeah, so I think we're gonna hold on to these. Definitely. Never seen these before in my life. But that happens. You nice, love. These are pretty clean, man. 50 bucks on these. Got that boost in the back heel. Let me know what you guys think about these. Size 5.5. Some Adidas shell toes, superstars, I mean. Size 4 for 50 bucks. Black and white colorway. Got the extra laces going on here too. Pretty dope find for the grade school. After looking through everything, this is the only thing I found worthwhile out of everything we saw here. A lot of stuff we checked out, as you guys can see. $14.99 for the retail of 65 bucks. Let's go ahead and scan this. Hopefully this comes up and all this searching here wasn't worth it or wasn't a fail. But it'd be like that sometimes. So let's check this out and see what this is. And it does not scan, dude. I hate that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. I hate that shit. I've been going through all this stuff here and didn't really find anything today. I mean, it'd be like that. It's not always 100% every time you come to the stores, and you gotta go to multiple stores to find multiple things. But it's just disappointing to come through and find this, which I do like. However, for the platform I want to sell it on, I can't do that with. But I think I'm gonna grab this and those Adidas and then call it a day. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig?